government employees. So welcome back po dito sa Learning Pal kung saan po tayo nag-share ng latest government news and updates. So ngayon po, i-share ko po sa inyo kung paano po tayo makakapag-apply dito po sa bago pong loan program ng GSIS and GSIS MPL Max or buyout program. So check po natin ang website po ng GSIS. So ito po yung kanilang Facebook page rather, no? GSIS Government Service Insurance System, and make sure po na yan ay verified. And then dito po sa kanilang post nakalagay po rito na the guidelines for MPL Max, the new loan buyout program for active members is now available on the GSIS website. And to click the memo na pinakita ko po last time, andito po yung link sa kanilang Facebook page. So, ano po ba yung guidelines na binigay po ng GSIS Facebook page? So, ano po ba yung guidelines na binigay po ng GSIS to avail this MPL Max? So, basahin po natin. So, please be informed that the guidelines for the new loan buyout program named MPL Max is now available on the GSIS website. Here are the 3 things you need to know about the MPL Max. So, number 1 po, no MOA, no Max. Ang ibig sabihin po niyan, kailangan po ng Memorandum of Agreement needs to be executed with GSIS before any member can avail of MPL Max. So, kailangan po muna natin mag-secure ng Memorandum of Agreement. This means that the implementation of MPL Max will be done on a per-agency basis, depending on the date of effectivity of the agency's MOA with GSIS. Effectivity of the agency's MOA with GSIS. So, kailangan po talaga natin mag-secure ng Memorandum of Agreement. Number 2 po, no walk-in applicants. So, hindi po sila tatanggap ng mga walk-in applicants to apply for the MPL Max. So, saan po siya pwedeng i-apply para po tayo magkaroon ng appointment? So, MPL Max will be by appointment only via GSIS Touch. So, kailangan po tayong magkaroon ng appointment first at makakapag-set po tayo nun through our GSIS Touch. Interested applicants must first download the GSIS Touch app and schedule their MPL Max appointment. So, mga wala pa pong GSIS Touch, you can download po niya sa Play Store, sa Google, Play Store, sa Google Play Store para po meron po tayong app sa ating cellphone. At makapag-set po ng MPL Max appointment. Then, last po, number 3, face-to-face submission. On the scheduled date of appointment, applicants must go to the GSIS branch and make sure to bring all the documents necessary for the approval of their loan application. So kung meron na po tayo nakaset na schedule para sa ating appointment, kailangan po tayo po mismo pumunta dun sa GSIS branch at dalhin po lahat ng ating documents for the application of MPL Max. So, ito po yung kanilang email address para po kung meron po tayo mga any questions again about MPL Max. So, yun na po muna teachers and other government employees. Thank you po for watching and I hope you subscribe and hit that notification bell para updated po tayo pag may mga bago pong balita. Yun na po at maraming salamat.